YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Another hacker box here. Took a long time to get here. It was only taking 3 days to get here. Now it's taking like 8 days, but it's finally here. So let's get this thing open. Level up, huh? Haven't got a clue what that could possibly be. Got just a couple more projects and then I can start catching up on these. I noticed when I picked this thing up it felt kind of heavy, so, and looks like all kinds of neat stuff already. Whole bunch of binding posts. I wonder if this is level up, huh? I don't know. That's an interesting binding post. Never seen one like that. USB. I always get those confused. Mini and then micro. That's the mini, I do believe. Nice. Huh, that's awesome. Is that the same thing? I do believe. Yes, alright. Nice. That's cool. Looks like a USB stick. That's cool. It is. Nice. I like it. You can see through it. That's really cool. It's the nerd stuff in me. That's what it is. But I like it. Little acrylic box for something. What could that go to, I wonder? This, maybe? I think maybe. Huh. That's so funny. This is an that's what I was thinking when I looked at it. It's like no way, but it's an ATX power supply breakout board. That's what it is. I can almost guarantee you that. It's like, this looks familiar. So I actually did a video on something like this not too long ago, actually. Yeah, that's cool. It's funny because let's see here. I'll pull it out real quick. Hopefully I can get it out of here. That's what this thing is, basically. Electronic Salon. And it works pretty good. I like it. But yeah, that's just a different kind. I like it. That'll be interesting to make. Got a medallion. That's really cool, actually. I like that a lot. Novus Ordo Technica. That's good. That's really good. I like that a lot. That's nice. LEDs and some switches and some resistors. And what we got here? SIM adapter. Nice. Those are, let's see. Yeah. Micro nano. Little key. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. AND gate, NAND gate. Oh, you get to actually build them too. Nice. Well, that's pretty cool. That must be what the LEDs and buttons and things are for. That's really awesome. There's several of them. NOR gate, OR gate, buffer, and inverter. That's really awesome, actually. They really come up with some neat stuff every month. I mean, I gotta hand it to that guy, or guys and gals, whoever's doing it. I mean, because this is I mean, you know, every month, that's a lot of stuff to come up with. There's the logic for everything. Pretty cool. It's a sticker too. Like my stickers. Hack Life, that's a pretty cool sticker also. Nice. That's a really good haul here. There's so much technology in these little boxes. I have a great time. I really have a great time with it. I feel like a kid in a candy store sometimes when I unbox these things. I hope you guys enjoy that, but I seriously do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I sure as hell did, and see you next time.